you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. To make her come check you, my babe. No time, no. I'm a dog.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today you guys are getting a Sunday reset. I have never done one of these on my channel before, but if you guys like them, let me know down below and I will create other ones. So you guys know I just moved. If you guys have not seen my moving series, I'll put it up in a card so you guys can check that playlist out. But this is my first Sunday reset since moving in. I had a lot of bags to unpack from moving, suitcases, a bunch of clothes, and just bags, things I had to unpack. So I started off by unpacking all those suitcases and doing some laundry. I took the sheets off the bed and all that good stuff because those need to be washed as well. I washed my sheets first because I like for those to be clean before I do any of the other laundry. That way I can fold it on my bed. And I don't know if y'all care, but those are just some of the items I use to wash my clothes with. If you guys need a laundry sanitizer, I highly recommend the Lysol one. It's literally amazing. I love that stuff. The sheets were in the washer, I just went in and sprayed my bed and pillows with Lysol. You should do that all the time. If you don't do that, you have a problem. I went in and seasoned my floor. If you guys don't use this stuff, I call it floor seasoning. It's amazing. It literally helps deodorize your carpet and clean your carpet, get it deep clean. I actually have the one for pets, but I don't know, I feel like if it's for pets, it's definitely powerful enough for just regular everyday life. So I like that one, and it smells amazing. It'll have your whole room smelling so good. I just wiped off my dresser and my nightstand and my lamp because those things need to be wiped down, as well as the mirror because it had fingerprints on it from like the movers and all that good stuff. So yeah, I just use Lysol wipes. You know, you don't have to do too much. Then I got started on this bathroom, child. I had stuff that I need to put away. Like I said, y'all, I just moved in, so I had to put a lot of things away. Right now, at the moment, I don't have a desk or a vanity to do my makeup at. So all my makeup is just sitting in the closet and in other places. It's mostly in the closet, but I just sprayed down every surface in the bathroom, the sink, the counter, the toilet, the tub, clean the mirrors, all that good stuff, because that's the stuff that needs to be clean. Like, you have to disinfect your bathroom. That's like one of the dirtiest places in your house. I want this video to be voiceover just because why not? I don't want to y'all just sit here and watch me do something. So I'm gonna talk to you guys because I don't really talk that much, but I do talk that much at the same time. So this is just really supposed to be, just a little reset, relaxing. But like I said, I will do more of these if you guys want me to. This was actually very fun, but it was actually like all day after I left church and got home. This literally took me all afternoon to do, but it's okay. There's nothing like having a space, your space, be clean. So just gonna mop. I did vacuum the floors. I know that's probably weird, but I like to vacuum or sweep, whichever one is the quickest, honestly. I already had the vacuum out, so it's like, why not just vacuum, you know? And then the bathroom is complete. I feel like the bathroom is like my favorite place to actually clean. I'm not sure why, honestly. But I just got my sheets out of the dryer and just went ahead and put those on my bed and made the bed. Like I said, I don't like to fold my laundry on a bed that's dirty. I'd rather fold it on sheets that are clean. So I just made my bed, y'all. Don't laugh at me for my pillows being like a little, not really white, but like creamish yellow. They're going into pillowcases once I get those, so not too much on me, okay? Then I just vacuumed up the floors to vacuum up all that floor seasoning, and the bedroom was complete. Moving on to the living room. So I had this picture that I got from at home that needs to be hung, but I had some issues with hanging it before, so today I have the solution. Command strips, because I needed some command strips, and the ones that I thought that I lost, I actually found them, so I just put them up. And I was so afraid. These are the like 20-pound command strips, and I was really so afraid that like I was gonna be asleep and it was literally just gonna fall off the wall, but thank God it didn't, and it hasn't. It's still up there hanging strong. It's been like a week. So then I just organized my desk and cleaned that off and got that big old printer and put it away, because I ain't printing nothing no time soon. When I do need it, I'll just get it back out. But it was just taking up a lot of space on my desk. So I also have some curtains to put up. I have been waiting forever for Amazon to ship this curtain rod, so I put those up. And y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, literally the other day I was opening up my curtains and my blinds and the curtains fell. Because I'm so little, I wasn't able to really get it up there and get it up there tight like my mom did for my bedroom. So yeah, the struggle is real, but I'm gonna get them put back up. So yeah, again, I wiped down my surfaces, wiped down my desk, and just put all my stuff back up there. My hard drive, that is an 8 TB hard drive, y'all. When I tell you a lot of content, I've filled up so many hard drives, but that one isn't full yet. But I have so many like travel size ones that are like full. Like I'm talking about 2 TB, 4 TB, all that stuff full. But this is just for you guys. So anyway, I went in the kitchen and just did some dishes. I unloaded the dishwasher, but I didn't show you guys that. I didn't show you guys me doing that part, but I did just clean some dishes, some stuff that I had just gotten from HomeSense, some containers for the refrigerator. Thought this thing was so cute. It is a beverage holder. Well, it's supposed to be like for milk, but you could put anything in it, and I use it for my milk, and you can write on it with dry erase marker for the date. So even though I had already used my milk, I was like, let me fill this up because it's so cute, and I didn't want it sitting on my counter anymore. If you don't like labels inside your refrigerator, like I feel like that is just a cute alternative. I got an egg carton as well, so cute. I just went in the living room and started on that, wiped down my little soundbar area and seasoned the rug, vacuumed the rug and the floors before I went in and started to sweep the floor. It's like, I don't like using a dustpan. I have one, but I don't like using it because you got to get on the floor and make sure it all gets swept up. If you have the vacuum literally sucks it all up like quickly, just your little pile. So then I just went in and I mopped the floors and I let that dry. I love this O-Cedar mop. It's the one that like wrings out the dirty water and you have a part for clean water. It's harder to like dry like when you're done using it, but it's literally so convenient. Then I started on dinner for tonight. I ended up making some Alfredo pasta, nothing crazy. I just wanted it as a side, and I made some chicken. Now this recipe I stole from my mom. It's literally just some chicken drums, whatever you want to call them, with seasoning on them and some butter, and I just popped that in the oven because it was easy and I didn't have to watch it and I could continue doing what I was doing. And then I just made the sauce, the Alfredo sauce, and I actually had the wrong type of Parmesan cheese, but it's okay, it's fine, it was still good. And then here's it all plated up. When I tell y'all, it was delicious, delicious. I just ate my dinner, and after I ate my dinner, I cleaned up the kitchen. I like to clean up as I cook, so I really just had to get rid of my, put stuff in to storage containers, put them in the refrigerator, and put stuff in the dishwasher, and I was good to go. So I just went and took a shower and got ready for bed because it was about that time. So I closed down the house after I showered. I've never thought I'd be able to say close down the house, but my parents used to say that all the time, and I hear people say it too on TikTok. So I closed down the house because it's time to go to bed. The kitchen is closed, living room is closed, everything is closed, and I just got right on into bed. And I turned on Love is Blind. If y'all haven't watched it, y'all need to watch it because it was good. It was very entertaining. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you so much. Bye, guys.
No time,
She like them boy with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old rain.